smart? Can I help you hold a hand with a cookie? Come here. Don't drop them. These are very boring cookies, I know. Super boring. Don't you hear? Yes. So smart. This way. Yay, very smart. You gotta eat them fast, I know. Very smart. Yay, very smart in this hand. And turn around. Wow. And turn away. Yay, so smart. Oops, you dropped a cookie. Look. Don't drop cookies. Very smart. And this one. Yay, very smart. Super smart. All right. So a little follow up the hand. He's on your side, and you turn him around. And then he goes towards you, and you turn him around. And for every turn, there's a cookie. Yeah. Hey, baby puppy. What?
Please.
Yay, very smart. Try to be on the same side as the hand is. Don't turn into him. So from here, turn around. That's towards you. Look, have the puppy on.
Not coordinated.
It's okay. So he's going to you.
Yeah.
You go, and then you turn him away,
Okay, I see.
and you can stay on the same side.
Okay.
Oh, like a lap turn.
Yeah.
Now I get it.
And same thing from that side. So you can turn him away. Wrong hand now. Yeah, that's fine. Turn him away. Yes, and keep going. And away, and keep going. Yay. Yes, very smart. And away again. Yay, very smart. And now you're going to change hands. So while he's on your side, he's on this hand, and then as soon as he approaches, you take this hand, you turn away, and he starts being on your right.
Okay.
Yay, very smart. And one more. Yes, super smart. And another turn. Yay, bravo. Super. Okay, now we're going to hold the puppy. Yes, we're going to hold the puppy. We're going to show you two stuff as well. Wait a minute. Stephanie, I'm going to